Hi everybody, it's Matt. Welcome to Collaboration Coach. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to manage your team effectively. Microsoft Team has the concept of owners, and if you're an owner, you have special privileges to manage the team and make changes to it. And I've got 3 tips that are going to help you as a team owner. So first of all, we're going to look at auto-favoriting channels. Then we're going to look at how to remove guests from your team. And then we're going to look at how to share your team with team codes. So first of all, let's do auto-favoriting channels. You'll see in any team you've got your list of channels. The general channel is always there, but you can also favorite channels so they appear by default. So for example, this engineering one here is actually a favorite. So if I remove favorite, it disappears into this more channels section. When I click on that, it shows me the rest of the channels. Now, if I want that engineering channel to show up again, I just click on the star and there it is. And I can do the same with all of these if I want. Now, as an owner, you might want to highlight a channel and make it a favorite by default for everybody, just so it's easier for them to move around the team and find the channel they're looking for. You do that by going to the ellipsis next to the team name, and you go to Manage Team, and then you go to the Channels tab. Now you can see here you've got your list of channels, and you can see which ones are favorited, and you can auto favorite the channel, and this will auto favorite for the whole team. So if I come to the manufacturing channels, tick that box, it's going to say, are you sure you want to make this automatic because it's going to affect the whole team? You just say yes, confirm. Now you can see the manufacturing channel has shown up on the left hand side automatically, and that's going to affect everyone in your team. So it's a good way of highlighting an important channel. Next, let's look at how to remove guests. Now this is a real easy one, but it has come up before with some of my customers. And it could be that another owner has invited a guest into your team and you've decided that you don't want them to be a member anymore. Perhaps they're an external person that you don't want to have access to your team. So it's really easy to do. You just come to the member section, you come to the members and guests section, and you should see at the top of the list the guests. So if you have a guest in your team, you should see them at the top of the list. You can also tell if there's guests by this little icon here in the top right hand corner. Just highlight the guest and press close. That will mean that that guest no longer has access to the team. So last tip is team codes. So as an owner, you might be in a situation where you want to invite lots of people to your team at the same time. Now, if it's a private team, it means that you would usually have to approve the request to join. So everyone who wants to join has to be approved. You can work around this by using team codes. So it means you can send a code out to lots of people at the same time. They can all use the code and they don't have to be approved by you or any of the other owners. To get to the team code, you go to the Settings tab, you go to the team code section, and then over here you press the Generate button, and this will create your code for you. So you can see here, you can just share this via IM or in an email, and you can just grab it like this, or you can do a copy here. And you can also reset the team code. So if you want to get a new code, you just press the reset button and it refreshes the code here. Now you've also got this full screen button, which actually gives you a full screen view of the code. Now this is useful if you're in a meeting and you're desktop sharing and you want to be able to show everyone in the meeting how to join your team. Pretty handy. Okay, so let's look at how this might work. We're going to take the code by pressing copy, and I'm going to switch over to Outlook now, and I've addressed this to Megan, and I'm just going to paste the code in and send that. So Megan's going to receive an email with the code in it, and I could put some more detail about how to join the team, but I won't do it for this demo. Okay, so I've switched over to Megan's browser, and you can see she's received the email from me, so she's got the code. She just needs to make a copy of it. Now from Teams, she goes to the Join or Create Team, and you can see when she goes to the Join or Create Team page, she's got an option to enter a code. So she can just paste that in there and then join the team. And then you can see down here on the left hand side, she's immediately joined the team without an owner having to approve it. So they're my 3 tips for team owners. I hope they help. Let me know in the comments if they do. See you next time.